We were talking about the holidays, and I had my annual holiday gift gift
Yes.
list up
Ho, ho,
this
ho.
week. Ho ho ho! Yeah, just like the Gene Shepherd, foot, of Christmas Story, foot on the forehead. So,
Ho, ho,
ho
ho.
ho! And what I had a lot of gift items that were, like bigger ticket items, but sometimes, you're going to go to a party or a hammer, the club's got a white elephant thing or something like that, or a gift exchange, and you might need a low value gift or a stocking stuffer or something like that. You want to give
friendly.
We're friendly, yeah. So these aren't your typical white elephants, but which, I mean, if we wanted to do a white elephant, I'd just go find I got a box of vacuum tubes I'll wrap up, or microwave oven parts or something like that. Not that I've done that.
Microwave oven parts? Hey!
So, here's a few things that are just little odds and ends that might work for people. Starting off the list, if you're in, if you like to operate in the wintertime, activate when it's cold here in the Midwest. We got snow on the ground, kind of, sort of. These have become one of my favorite pair of gloves. These are the Milwaukee cold weather gloves. They're insulated, latex dipped, so they're waterproof. You can get them. They've got these are the super heavy duty ones, cut level 3. So they got a little bit lighter pair, cut level 1, which I really like to wear. I wear these in the wintertime when I'm building antennas. I'm wearing gloves like this when I'm out in the garage assembling them, and they keep your hands reasonably warm in the cold weather. But they got a decent amount of dexterity for assembling antennas outside. So I keep a pair of these in the car too, and so you can find these gloves at Home Depot.
Yeah, trust me, Home Depot's got everything Milwaukee out right now.
Oh, they do. Holy smokes! So I needed some precision tweezers, and I found these online at Amazon. iFixit. I love these little tools by iFixit.
Yeah, they got the little screwdriver sets and stuff.
You got the little screwdriver sets. I got the little screwdriver sets. They're about, the screwdriver set's like $50, but they got all those weird star bits and Torx bits and things if you want to disassemble a laptop computer. But they had this 3-piece tweezer set with a straight and a curved tweezer and then a precision fine point tweezer. They're like $8-9. So
perfect.
Yeah, not too bad. They come in a
little sliver you got to pull out, right?
Yeah, a little sliver or something like that, or you grab a tiny screw or something like that. Bongo ties, these are about $8-9.
Bongo
great
ties.
To have. Bongo ties. This is something I have on my desk. If you're into this thing is well abused, but it's the Hacko D599B tip cleaner. This is all got like brass, like brass wool. Yeah, that's what it's like. It kind of reminds me of those pot scrubbers, but this one I got a pitch. I just bought a new one, so it's about $10. Yeah, it got a little smash. Something dropped on it, and it's
get a little angry one night trying to solder.
Yeah, it's seen some hard use. Pliers, inline cutters.
I have those, yeah. Little flush cut cutters are the best.
Yep.
They're great for trimming toenails too.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Isn't that a thought?
I did a review on this a few weeks ago. Chris, hamthings.com, has these little fuse holder kits power poles on each end, and
Mhm.
put a little bit of inline fuses in there.
Oh yeah.
They're about I think you can without the housing, which you can 3D print yourself. This is about $15. I think the full kit is about 25 or so. Hamthings.com. If you want to check those out, I did a review on those, and I think that's about it for my. Oh, and of course, yeah, my park pass.
There you go.
Yeah. May not be something you're going to give as a white elephant gift, but if your state has park admissions, a season pass would be greatly appreciated. And
I bought myself a stocking stuffer.
oh, what do you get?
Yeah, I got the what this is called the Big Shot Arborist Slingshots. Okay. Look at this bad boy. I mean, this is like 3/4 inch, 7/8 inch rubber. It is a beast.
Oh wow!
Wow, look at that. Yeah, well, this is made to shoot that 10-ounce arborist throw that most of us use now for putting up antennas, and it goes on an 8-foot pole.
Yep.
They say that you should only use a tested fiberglass 1.25 OD pole. However, I have access to a lot of conduits, metal. Right? So we're good on that.
Yep.
And I'm going to use this. The reason why I bought it is finally this week, after 2 months of waiting and $4,500.
Ouch!
The 3 trees in my backyard that were dying and or leaning at a 45-degree angle are gone, including the one that my antenna was in. So I have to redeploy the long wire, the 132-foot end fed. So there is a tree way back at the end of the property line, down in the creek. There's like I'm kind of up here, and then it goes down, and then there's a creek in my backyard.
Yep.
And there's a big old oak back there. I bet you it's 75, 80 feet tall, but that's down probably 30 feet from, average terrain up in my house. So if I shoot up to that, I think I'm going to have a rock star antenna.
Oh, you go.
I'm really hoping. So this bad boy is my deployment. And I'm talking to Michael. We don't have this. Yeah. Hold still, Scout. I'm coming for you.
Yeah.
Actually, why'd you come over in January when you have some snow on the ground? This thing is going to be make all the neighbors real happy.
There you go.
And I talked to Michael here. We're going to do a demonstration of this at Winter Field Day in January.
Yep.
To get some antennas up in the air. So stick around for that.
That'll be fun.
I will be back on the HF hopefully this weekend.
KB9VBR antennas are simple, effective, and affordable VHF and UHF antennas for amateur radio, MERS, public safety, and GMRS. Made in the USA with quality parts. Get yours online at jpole-antenna.com.